Cinderella Solution Review. Do you find yourself avoiding your reflection in the mirror at all cost because you don't like how you look? Or you have tried all manner of diet and exercise there is online and ending up in frustration and rebound weight gain? Cinderella Solution is a weight loss program designed specifically for women that reveals to you simple two-step rituals that will help you achieve jaw-dropping daily results while reclaiming the attention and confidence you have been missing out on for so long. What does the program consist of? The Cinderella Solution is a 28-day weight loss program that is available as a series of PDF ebooks. The central manual of this program contains 4 distinct parts. Part 1, The Cinderella Solution Explained. This part of the program begins with a basic introduction of the program and how you can best start your journey. The next chapter contains information regarding pairing foods based on flavor profiles as well as the right time for you to nourish your body. Details on slim sequencing exercises follow this chapter. You also get the 2 critical phases of the program known as Ignite and Launch in this first part. Part 2, Your Daily Nutrition Blueprint. In the second part of the program, you'll get 14-day calendars as well as daily meal prep plans. These help you understand the best way to nourish your body and eat well for weight loss. Moreover, if you're looking for innovative recipes, this part of the program is the right one for you. Part 3, DIY Meals and Flavor Pairing. The third part of the Cinderella Solution focuses on giving you an even more detailed set of information. Moreover, this phase helps with recipes that'll take your Ignite and Launch phases into overdrive. You'll also learn about things like portion options and portion blocks, which will help you make the right decisions related to your diet. Part 4, Top 10 Flavor and Weight Loss Food Combinations. As the title suggests, the fourth part of the program focuses on giving information about food combos and flavorful ingredients to boost your weight loss journey. By this stage, you've been exposed to exhaustive information that makes sure you're ready to take on the weight loss challenge and emerge victoriously. Pros. A weight loss system that's designed specifically for women. Unique weight loss program deals with women's issues when it comes to losing excess weight. Daily meal plans and bonus recipes. Includes multiple programs that can be easily accessed or downloaded. Cons. The 98-page manual can be a bit overwhelming for some folks. The product is only available online. Conclusion. Cinderella Solution is every woman's guide to counteracting the effects of the hormonal transition studies have proven destroys the female metabolism. It's a comprehensive guide that teaches you the proper nutrition and exercises needed to boost your metabolism to start shedding off some weight. To buy Cinderella Solution from official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.